Alright, welcome to Demolition on Rouge Company.
I remember.
Prevent the enemy from planting the bomb. Bomb's active. Find it and defuse it. We found the bomb.
Need help! Enemy spotted! I'm on the objective. Need help!
Bomb disarmed. Crisis averted.
Get back.
Alright, let's go. Playing some Rouge Company now. Alright, I got my boat up last time. Let's try and get a little bit up. Let's go. Oh, looks like they flanked all the way around.
Enemies have armed the bomb. Disarm it. We found the bomb. All friendlies eliminated.
Let's try upgrading my deagle.
Move here! Catch me up. This is what I do. Thanks.
We found the bomb. The bomb has been spotted. All enemies have been eliminated.
Adima.
You need more training.
No enemies remaining. Well done.
I was so confused on what just happened there.
Move here.
Enemy spotted. Enemy spotted.
Enemies planted the bomb. Stop them. The bomb has been spotted.
I'm on the objective.
Bomb disarmed. Crisis averted.
And oh, easy.
Okay, let's try this again. Alright, downing an enemy reloads your currently equipped weapon or restores ammunition.
This
Yes,
I
that'd be like the perfect, awesome squad wipe right here. Increase weapon loadout and swap load speed. Gain the ability to reload while sprinting. Deal more damage to equipment. Gain the ability to reload while sprinting. Increase weapon swap and reload speed.
This I
Reload speed, let's do that. And then let's do a regular grenade. Alright, I'm gonna go for B. Actually, I'm going A. I'm going A.
Utility out!
Need help.
Catch me up.
We found the bomb.
This is what I do. Lethal out.
Headshot. Did you see it? Headshot. Badink.
Come at me, bros.
Dude, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. He's down. He's down to nothing. Alright, where's he at? Where's he at?
We've been wiped out.
Oh no. Alright, we're still ahead 4-1 though. Pistols only. As me.
Utility out!
Utility out.
That guy just killed himself.
I'm down. Bomb spotted.
Deploying utility.
Alright, let's see if we can get this pistols only challenge.
Plant the bomb at a site. Bomb's down. Don't leave it behind.
Move here. Move here. I'm on the objective.
Alright, nice. I got the bomb.
I'm on the objective.
We've armed the bomb. Defend it.
Catch me up. This is what I do. Weak like American drink.
Alright, if we
All
use the last
targets
two, there's a
eliminated.
bomb going off right now.
Great work.
Let's go! Let's go.
Need a hand. Stop being like baby. This is what I do. Need help. I needed that. I've got the objective. Enemy spotted.
We've armed the bomb. Defend it.
I'm down. This is what I do.
All enemies have been eliminated.
That's a full-on dub, dude.
You thought you would win, but it was me, Dima!
It was me, Dima. Alright, let's go for another pistols only challenge. Let's switch it up from demolition to extraction. Some more competitive. It's a 3. I got 3 people on my team. Oh no, that's not good. Oh, this is close. Oh wow, wow, wow.
Get back. You okay?
Where are they?
I needed that. Deploying utility.
45 seconds to go. Get to it.
I'm down! Get back in there.
Where are they? 30 seconds. Finish the mission.
now or never! We've been wiped out. Run it again.
He screamed at us, dude. I was under so much pressure there. Oh my god. He even screamed in my
This I
ear.
like. I'm on the objective.
Bomb is ours. Keep it that way.
Thanks. Go here.
Oh wow.
Deploying utility.
45 seconds remaining.
Yo, you need
He's
a
gonna hack
man.
that, bro. He's
Eliminated. That's one way to do it.
Nice. Nice. Sacrifice yourself for the team.
This I like.
Gain the ability to reload while sprinting. Yeah.
Move here.
Affirmative. Get me up. You okay? You okay?
All opponents eliminated.
Tomahawk chop is a no-go. Increase weapons and swap and
This I
reload speed.
like.
Yes. We gotta capture the objective now. Move out. Do.
Enemies have the objective. Stop them.
Yeah, I got one.
Not so tough, pretty boy. Oh, he just instant healed
You okay?
himself.
You okay?
Run it again.
Oh, wow. Dang, he came over there and just squad right.
Enemies have armed the
This is
bomb.
what I do.
Disarm it.
Where are they? Utility out. Utility out.
Seconds to go. Get to it. All rogues down. Regroup back. at the
What?
I'm on the objective.
Bomb is ours. Keep it that way.
Utility out.
Keep it up.
This is what I do.
I needed that.
Failed to disarm the bomb. Cut the blue wire next time.
Utility out.
Dude, I'm getting lit.
T-minus 45.
Move here.
Enemies have taken the objective. Disarm it.
Not today.
Crushed us. Fight harder
Oh
next time.
my goodness, I almost had all of them.
Enemies have the objective. Stop them. Fight harder
Oh,
next
they
time.
ambushed us. Brilliant.
Enemies have armed the bomb.
I'm down.
Oh, good lord.
Have armed the bomb. Disarm it.
I'm down.
We lost the objective. Mission failed.
Oh,
I'm down. Enemy spotted.
60 seconds remaining.
no, come on, come on, come on. Oh, yes, 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 yes.
Area clear
Got the
hostiles.
objective.
Nice and clean.
Still gonna hack the bomb.
Get me up.
Wow, 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 wow.
Love
60
being like
seconds
baby.
remaining.
Need help.
Wow.
Our ground team has been.
Is nothing. Get up.
60 seconds remaining.
Get me up. Enemy spotted.
All enemies have been eliminated.
I'm on the objective.
Do you think they were even trying?
Oh, he's got an auto turret here. That's what killed me too.
I'm on the objective.
We have armed the bomb. Protect it.
You need more training.
I'm down. Utility out.
Find it, find it. Nice, nice, nice.
Stop messing around. Utility out.
Seconds remaining.
Come on, baby, you're almost dead. Let's go, don't fight me.
Utility out. Get up. On your feet.
30 seconds remaining. Not much time left. All hostiles eliminated. Beautifully done.
Oh, let's go. That's what you get for having a headset. You can hear footsteps.
Utility out. Get me up. Enemy spotted. Go here. is nothing.
Get up, Rogue.
Much appreciated. Utility out.
45 seconds remaining.
I'm down. Give me up. Enemy spotted.
Thirty seconds remaining. Not much time left. Enemies destroyed the bomb. Regroup and try again.
We almost had that.
I got the objective.
We control the site. Defend it.
Who's the fastest gun?
Utility out.
45 seconds remaining.
Enemy spotted.
Thirty seconds remaining. Hold them off.
Defending here.
Let's do this, boys. Come on, come on. Can we pull off a dub? Can't we pull off a dub? 4v2. Well, it's actually a 4v1 right now.
10 seconds remaining. Stay strong. Bomb destroyed. Well done, team.
Well, I guess he couldn't pull it off.
I got the objective.
We control the site. Defend it.
Need help. Enemy spotted. What goes around, partner?
"45 seconds remaining. All enemies have been eliminated. Do you think they were even trying?
GG's. Play demolition. We're gonna go for Dallas today. A little change in the combo. Pistol still.
That's what I was just doing. If I'm gun throwing up there, yes. I got some meat in the trough, but not much. I need meat.
Says he needs meat run. Okay, okay, he sees me, he sees me.
I'm down.
Enemies planted the bomb. Stop them.
Come on, buddy. Shake it off.
Thanks, man.
Bomb spotted.
With a hand. Move here.
Need help! Move here. Go here. Go here. Go here. Enemy spotted.
I've got the objective.
Bomb neutralized. Well done, Rogue.
I was very anxious there. I had anxiety all over the roof. Alright, let's do this. Grenade that little mirroring pool of fire. Let's do that. What up? It's your boy Snow God here. Oh, all three of them went to freaking B.
Go here.
We found the bomb.
Shots, wow.
Go here.
Come on, let's do this. 1v1.
No enemies remaining.
Yeah,
Well done.
let's go. Let's go for this. Let's go. Let's go.
Right you are.
Alright, I'm going to B right now. Instead of going that way, I'm going to go all this way because it takes a lot of time just to run all the way around when I can flame. How's that fire taste, buddy? How's that taste?
Deploying utility.
How's that taste? Oof. I don't think you like that.
No enemies remaining. Well done.
Let's go. Ooh. Alright, let's see. Silence the sound of your footsteps.
I reckon
Increase health
that'll work.
regeneration. They're all
Go here.
1B. That's right, burn, baby.
Enemy spotted.
Well, my medic guy could have at least offered some assistance, but he didn't. That's fine. That's why he's knocked. And he wasted his skill for no reason. Also, if you guys are using the same one off, make sure you pay attention to your timer so you're at 5 minutes.
All enemies have been eliminated.
Awesome. 4-0. You're just stomping them. Only using a pistol.
Right you are.
Defending here. Enemies on the move.
Defending here.
Hell you.
Move here.
Oh, they're definitely going A. Oh, they went B.
Move here. Lethal out.
All enemies have been eliminated.
Enemies on the move.
I killed like my teammate with the fire thing, but we still won. Moves aim down sights, movement.
I reckon
penetration.
that'll work.
Look at that zoom speed. I guess we can have the melee. Yeah, they're definitely going A.
Oh, that was quick. Lethal out.
Alright.
Good job.
And
You're
he's
on.
still here.
This was gonna
Awesome.
be hard.
This is definitely gonna be an end game. 6-0. Oh wow, we stomped them at 6-0. Everybody raged. Awesome. Don't forget to like the video. Subscribe for more.